All right, I just got my Beats Studio Pro headphones, and I just want to do a quick unboxing. Just tell you about the box. Comes in like kind of like a molded cardboard box with this plastic sleeve and the logo wrapped around it. Beats Studio Pro. All right, let's just open it up and let's see what comes in the box. All right, so I got the plastic sleeve off. So we're just gonna go ahead and open up the box and see what comes in the box, with everything that's included. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, put that box over there. All right, so pretty nice. Looks like it comes with a nice canvas carrying bag, and I think everything's just packed in here. Uh, it's got a little carrying strap here. Maybe you can attach that to a backpack or something if you're traveling. Nice feel on the plastic handled zipper with a cloth string. Just open it up. All right. All right. It is a little tight. Doesn't open up really wide. All right. So of course you have your Beats Studio Pro headphones in here. Just click them into place like you do. There's the headphones, and I believe it has some wires in here. You have looks like a Type C cable, a double-ended Type C cable. Put that there, and I saw another wire in here. Looks like we have kind of what is this? Oh, it's a 3.5 stereo headphone jack. Some phones still use those. Some people prefer those. All right, so let's see. So this is everything that comes with. It's got your canvas storage bag, carrying bag, your headphones, your USB, well, your Type C cable, not USB, and a 3.5 headphone jack. One thing to note, you're probably going to need some type of wall charger that connects a Type C connector. You don't want the one that has a USB port. You want the Type C connector. All right, and or maybe you can charge it off your computer if you have one of these ports on your computer. All right, so that's everything that came in the box of the Beats Studio Pro headphones.